If you want to stop Spotify from automatically renewing your subscription, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to your plan. In the account overview, look for the section labeled Your Plan. Click on it to view details about your current subscription and renewal settings. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Find the option that says Change or Cancel next to your subscription details. Click on it and then select Cancel Premium to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm your cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback or confirm that you want to cancel. Make sure to complete this step to ensure that your subscription does not auto-renew. By following these steps, you can successfully stop Spotify from auto-renewing your subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Spotify support.